Hey guys, Ratan here. Welcome to my channel, The Daru TV. So first of all, I'm really sorry guys, for the past 2 weeks I couldn't upload any video due to my personal work. But don't worry, I'll make sure to upload 4 quality videos every week from now onwards. So as you read the title, the conclusion for 30 days being sober. So what are the effects on me, on my mental health and my physical health? So before starting the video, I want to talk to you guys regarding a website called as vocalforlocal.in. So this website is developed and designed by me and my partner Mr. Rohit. So our aim is to promote Indian products. As our Prime Minister told, go vocal for local. So that's our aim, to promote good Indian brands. So what we have done, we have actually affiliated with Amazon. And as you all know, it is very tough to identify Indian products on Amazon page because you have a lot of products and you don't know like which products to go in for. So what we have done is a simple thing, like we have gone through all the products on Amazon and we have listed all the products which are Indian and which have great reviews, good reviews, more than 4 stars, and we have listed on our website. The easy thing is for you guys to go to our website, pick whatever. The thing is, we have products from home appliances to personal care and also fitness, like whey proteins also we have in our website. The simple thing is, go to our website and just click on the link on which product you want. This takes you directly to Amazon page and you can buy it from there. So what we benefit from this? So basically we benefit a small percent of commission which Amazon pays us whenever you guys buy a product from our page link. And don't worry guys, this is all free for you, at no extra cost. So whatever Indian products you want to buy, you know it, go for vocalforlocal.in. So I'll be linking the website URL in my description. So if you guys want to support our initiative of promoting Indian brands, do go there, click on the link and buy the products that you like. So guys, that's it. Let's get started with the video. As you all know, it's been 30 days of me being sober. Like you have seen my before videos, I was just sipping on a few alcohol. I wasn't getting drunk. I was just sipping so I can review few alcohols. Other than that, I wasn't drinking. The thing is, the mindset of me on alcohol has actually changed in this last 30 days. First, let's go with the pros of being sober. The first thing I want to tell you is the mood. So basically, when I used to have a few drinks or like weekly twice when I was drinking, the mood of me next day getting back was I was being a bit grumpy and everything. But right now, being sober for 30 days, like I'm joyful, I'm happy, like I don't know, like I feel I'm more energetic. So second thing, the energy that I'm telling you. The next day when you wake up, you feel so energized that I wake up around 6 o'clock these days, like go for a walk and I feel so great, I feel so energized. And coming to the sleep patterns, it has been so good, like I'm sleeping on the set time, I'm getting good sleep, like 8 to 9 hours sleep, and I'm feeling really good about it. The third is the anxiety level. Like when I used to drink, my anxiety level was really high, like I couldn't like express myself and everything. But right now, like after 30 days, the anxiety is gone. Like you can tell me it is like out of 100 it is around 2 to 3%, and so that doesn't matter, that is gone. So I'm feeling great. And regarding the weight, on the health, on the physical health part, I don't think like I have lost weight or anything. It only depends on the calories you take, like you gain or lose weight. I have not lost weight or nor gained weight, so that is a good thing. And the more thing is that your mind is fresh. You concentrate a lot more. Your concentration level is good. I just feel great. And coming to the health also, like as I told you, I wake up around 6 o'clock these days. Like I go for a walk, I feel refreshed. So that actually feels good when you like stop boozing or something. And coming to the cons, when before COVID, pre-COVID, like if there were parties or anything, if you are going sober, I think you couldn't enjoy the party because you can't match your friends with the drinks and being high. Like So as of now with COVID, you actually don't have any cons. Like being sober, actually, like my mindset about alcohol actually really changed. I can go sober for 30 or 60 or 90 days also as of now, because I feel great as a person also. So I'm not telling you guys to quit liquor or anything, but alcohol does have bad effects basically on health, physical health and mental health. Yes, this channel is about Daru. As you know, the channel name is Daru TV. It is not that I promote using alcohol or anything. I'm being honest about the ill effects of alcohol. See, but saying that my channel is only about alcohol, I don't promote any alcohol brands or anything, or I don't encourage any one of you guys to have liquor or anything. This is my honest opinion, and it is the truth about alcohol. Basically, what's the reason I started the channel was to just review alcohol and everything. But you guys also should know the truth of alcohol, right? It's not only that you get to know only the benefits or like you enjoy alcohol or anything, but you guys should know the ill effects of alcohol. It's not like telling you guys to stop alcohol, but just limit yourself with alcohol, like 2 or 3 drinks a week. That should be good. Enjoy yourself. Don't let the drink to enjoy you. So that is the main thing I want to tell you guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. So if you like this video, if you want me to make such kind of videos in future, do comment below. And if you like this video, hit that like button, share my video, and if you have not still subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. And guys, till my next video, remember, drink responsibly and cheers.